Love the way you are sitting so nice and quiet. Okay, today when we're working with partners, our special number is going to be 4. And I want to do a little activity with you to help us understand the partners of 4, okay? All right, so at the tables, we are going to be working with 4 cubes, okay? And we are going to be trying to find out what the partners of 4 are, all right? So look in my hand, I have 4 cubes, right? Okay, so if I take 2 cubes and put them behind my back, how many cubes do I have left? 2. So 2 and 2 are partners of 4. Okay, very good. Brayden?
3 and 1.
You are just too smart. You're right, but I didn't ask you for another partner, okay? All right, so let's be good listeners and watch. I have 4 cubes in my hand, okay? All right, I am going to take 3 away. Brayden, how many cubes do I have left? If I took 3 and put them behind my back, how many do I have left in my hand? 1. So 1 and 3 are partners of 4. How about if I took 1 away? How many?
And 3.
I would have 3 left in my hand. So 3 and 1 are partners of 4, just
What
like
if you have 0 and 4? That's
just like 1 and 3 and 1. And you're right. 0 and 4 are partners of 4 as well, right? What would be another partner? Go ahead.
You're going to sit up.
if you put like 0 behind your back, you would have 4, and just switch them around.
Okay, so let's try it. I have 4, and if I put 0 behind my back, I have 4 left, right? Okay, so if I put 1 behind my back, I have 3 left, so 3 and 1. If I put 2 behind my back, we have 2 left, so 2 and 2 are partners of 4, right? Okay, so you did really well at that little game. So now Mrs. Stearns is going to come up and she's going to show us another way to look at partners of 4 that will be helpful when we go back to our table, okay? And then once she gets finished doing that, then I'll come back and we will walk you through your activities.
Okay, and Mrs. Bowman took the cubes and she hid some cubes behind your back, right? So if I have, we're going to put that over there. If I have 4 cubes, and I gave my friend Brianna 1. What are my partners?
3.
I have 3 left, so what is my partner of 4?
3 and 1.
1 and 3, good. If I have 4, 4, and I gave my friend Demont 2. How many do I have left?
2.
How many did I have all together? What was our number? 4. So my partners are 4. Demont has
2.
and I have
2.
partners of 4. What if I had 1, 2, 3, 4, and I had all 4, but I decided to share some with a friend.
You have 21.
How many do I still have?
1.
How many does my friend have?
3.
What is my partner's?
3 and 1.
You guys are good. What if I have still 4, because what's our number today?
4.
I have 4.
But there's 6 on the...
But we're doing 4 right here. So I have 4, but I decided to keep them all to myself. So how many do I still have?
4.
How many does my friend have?
3.
none, or 0. So let's look at some of these partners. How many do we have? What's my partner of 4? Here's our number is 4. 1 and 3.
2 and 2. 3 and 1. 4 and 0.
Oh, you guys are so good. And now Mrs. Bowman's going to show you what we're going to do at our tables.
Okay, so at your tables, you're going to have a piece of paper like this, okay? The number 4 is on top because that is the number that we're working with today. The very first thing you're going to do is write your name, okay? I need you to be nice and neat. Write that name nice and neat, okay? Then you are going to take your blocks, and you can kind of keep an eye on Mrs. Stearns because she's going to show you too the same thing that I am doing. You're going to take your blocks and a straw. Remember the straw we use as a line. We're going to use that line to make our partners a 4. So on my first example right here, the partners are 1 and 3. So if you wanted to make 1 and 3, you're going to take your straw and you're going to put it, somebody put those together. Okay, you're going to take your straw and put it between 1 and 3. Then you are going to color one block with one color and put the number 1 above it. And you're going to do your best to try and stay in those lines, okay? Then you're going to take your other crayon, which is a different color, okay? So it's a different color, and you're going to color in 3 blocks and write the number 3. Now, I want you to do your very best at writing those numbers correctly because you are almost first graders, and we have to make sure that we try our very best to write those numbers correctly. And if you're having problems writing the numbers, look at the number line that is on your table, okay? That will help you to see which way the numbers should be written. There's also numbers all over this room on the walls. So if you're having problems writing a number, use your resources. They are in the room. Your number line and the numbers on the walls are all resources for you to use, okay? Then, once you have colored in your cubes, you've written your numbers, you are going to take your straw and you're going to make some more partners. So, look at Mrs. Stearns. What are her partners right now?
2 and 2.
2 and 2. So you would have your straw in between 2 and 2, and then you are going to color 2 cubes one color, write the number 2 above it. You're going to color the other 2 cubes the different color, and write the numbers above it. Okay?
Now, if you snap your cubes together, you're not going to get your straw in there. So don't snap your cubes, just put them up nice and neat at the top of your